If you shine a flashlight at this running kiwi fruit, it will let out a strange cry. It's actually a kiwi bird. As a bird, it can't fly and doesn't have real feathers. Its texture feels more like a cat. Its body structure is also quite unusual. It lacks a breastbone and chest muscles. When they fight, they use their strong hind legs to deliver powerful kicks to each other's chests, aiming for a knockout. Therefore, you must be very careful when picking up a kiwi bird, or you might accidentally squeeze it so hard that it can't breathe. It's only about the size of a chicken, but it lays eggs that are 10 times larger than a regular chicken egg. Even more surprisingly, the kiwi is the only bird in the world with nostrils located at the tip of its beak. When foraging in the soil, it constantly has to blow air out of its nose, or its nostrils will easily get clogged. It's a nocturnal